Hello, y'all. It's Proto Fox again. On the Eastern Shore of Virginia. So I got something yesterday. I decided to open it for y'all today. And surprise! It is a first Alert SMI100-AC. There's a dopey little Ace hardware around here. And I decided, why not go there? I go there every time, so I decided to pick this up. So, manuals. Please see manual. The adapters, the wire harness, and the alarm itself looks like a 9120B. 24 April 16th. Let me pull the cord. Yeah, it has a DP in there, a gold peak. Oh, I did a little chirp. Anyways, test it. I was half expecting it to test like a 9120B. Anyways. Here's a base with a 9120B. Does have a dying sound. I was check for this on alarms. No, surprisingly. I like that cute little chirp. Alright. Hope you all like this short video. See ya.